What every person that owns a dog needs to know. There are various kinds of dogs out there and many types of family situations. It's a huge decision to decide what type of dog to get and how to care for it. Read more if you want to know how to give your dog the care it needs. Your dog needs to be secured when in a car. Not only will it make the journey safer, as it will lead to fewer distractions for the person driving the car, but in the event of an accident, it could also save your dog's life. Look for a seatbelt harness, often sold at pet stores, that you can put in your car for your pet. Schedule regular veterinary visits. Regular veterinary exams are extremely important for your dog's overall health. As with humans, it is important to catch any health problems early on. The vet will make sure that your dog is up to date on his vaccinations, and check for any other issues such as weight and dental problems or parasites. You may be tempted to use your favorite hair shampoo on your dog, but this should not be done. Human shampoo can cause dog skin to dry out. Instead, find a quality shampoo that is made for dogs. When you bath your dog, make sure to rinse all of the residue out of his fur. Positive reinforcement is the best way to train your dog. You should congratulate your dog when it displays a good behavior, for instance by giving it a treat or petting it. Talk to your dog in a soft voice and make sure you praise it every time the good behavior is displayed. Designate a family member or close friend to be responsible for your dog, should something happen to you. If you are in an accident and unable to get home, your dog will need someone to feed him and address other needs. Perhaps you trust a neighbor with your house keys and they could act for you in a time of need. Always be sure that your dog understands that you are the master if you want to have a well-behaved pet. This is important because if your dog believes that he is dominant over you, then you have a much smaller chance of getting it to obey your commands and behave according to your wishes. It is essential that you get your dog vaccinated. Vaccinations will protect your dog from different types of illness and diseases. Most vaccinations are done at your dog's yearly checkup. Your vet can explain what each vaccination is for. The rabies vaccine is required by law in many different states. If your dog is prone to getting burrs in his coat, keep a can of Crisco in your kitchen cupboard. Next time you notice a burr, put gloves on to protect yourself and work the Crisco around until you can pry the burr out. Give him a nice shampoo to get the shortening out later. Are you feeling better about dog care now? This advice will get rid of any worry you had about your dog. Apply the tips from this video, and do your best to keep your dog happy. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.